Hello and welcome to the Molly's Candy Crumbs channel. Today we are going to be making pumpkin puree. Simple instructions, all you need is one pumpkin. Making sure to use a very sharp knife, you're going to want to first cut off the top of the pumpkin. Remove the stem and then set it off to the side. Next, you're going to want to flip the pumpkin over and cut it in half. Now that your pumpkin is cut in half, you're going to want to proceed to clean out all the seeds and stringy bits. Next, you will want to flip the pumpkin skin side up and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes, or until it's tender enough to stick a butter knife in cleanly, like so. Remove from the oven and proceed to cut the halves in half. It just makes it easier to remove the skin from these steaming hot pumpkins. And you do want to work at this kind of quickly so as not to let the pumpkin cool off too much, because you do want the pumpkin to still be hot and steaming while you're pureeing it. It just helps to get a smoother puree. Now you're going to want to flip over your newly skinned and still steaming fresh pumpkin, and you're going to want to take a spoon and scrape out those stringy dry bits. After which you're going to want to take a knife and cut off the dry edges that were exposed directly to the heat in the oven. Next comes the most anticipated part of this video, next to using this pumpkin to cook with, and that is chopping it up and putting it in a food processor to get it all smooth and creamy. This pumpkin puree is used in the spiced pumpkin cake roll found on the Molly's Candy Crumbs channel, which you will find a link to down in the description box below. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. And if you know someone who would like this recipe or who would just in general like to try to make their own homemade pumpkin puree, share this video with that person or group of people. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do that and click the little bell so you get notifications every time we upload a new video. Don't forget to leave your comment down below to let us know what you think. Thank you.